It's content creation day around here, and I know you know what I'm talking about. That's why you're watching this video. So I thought what I would do is actually use this cool travel tripod. I got a ton of videos I gotta shoot, so why don't we unbox this, take a look at this, talk about its features, and then we'll actually use it. I'll come back at the end of the day, let you know how it worked out. So this tripod's a 61-inch tripod, which is nice and tall. It obviously works with all the brands. You can do Sony, Canon, Nikon, your phone if you want to do your phone. So I generally tend to use these travel-oriented camera equipment because I'm moving around all over throughout the house and locations to do our shoots. So I always want light equipment and I want something that's good quality. And I have to say, comes with a lot of parts. This is a cell phone shutter release if you're going to use your cell phone. Somehow, I never have enough of these mounts for the cell phone to put them on a tripod, so that's great that it includes that, some basic instructions and tools. Let's see the tripod itself. So as you can see, it's nice aluminum construction, which is always solid. Rubber feet on it, and I always prefer these single flip connections, whatever you want to call them. Ooh, that's nice and firm, look at that. That's really positive, that's kind of cool. I know obviously sometimes you could get the twist tined or the kind that crank down that way, but they seem so slow to me and I make so many adjustments, so that's perfect like that. Let's open it up a little bit, see what that looks like there. Okay, so this is what the head looks like. You obviously have an adjustment here for the shaft. You can tighten that down. This is for rotating in that direction. You can loosen this up a little bit, pivot down, pivot up. And finally, this is the universal mount, which is gonna fit on any camera or phone, actually. Oh, one other thing, if you're gonna shoot vertical content, you loosen this up and you go vertical. So if you're one of those vertical people, you could do that here too. I am not, so we're gonna go back to normal world. Anyway, I'm gonna use this today and then we'll come back and give you my review of how the day went, how it was to work with it in real life, create content. See you a little later. All right, I've been using this for a while now and I wanted to come back and tell you what my experience was. Let me just really quickly recap the features. It's got an adjustable height from 20 to 61 inches. The 360-degree ball head design is great. Quick release plate, bubble level, non-slip rubber feet, which I do appreciate, and a carrying bag. Okay, so those are the basic features. As I said, I've been using it for a while and I'm really impressed with its performance. It's been very sturdy and stable. Even on uneven surfaces, easy to adjust and keep it stable. The ball head is smooth and easy to use. Now, you're not going to do crazy cinematic things with it, but it is useful. The quick release plate makes it easy to attach and detach my camera. Also, if you get an extra plate, you can switch out cameras. I also love that it comes with that carrying bag, kind of completes the kit, which makes the whole thing easy to take and make some artwork. Overall, I think this is a great tripod for anybody looking for a versatile and affordable option. It's perfect for both photography and videography. I'd highly recommend it for that. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.